Every month, millions of middle-class families do the exact same thing. They wake up early, go to work, pay their bills on time, try to save a little money, and tell themselves they are being responsible. On the surface, everything looks fine. The paycheck arrives. The mortgage gets paid. The car payment goes through. The credit cards stay under control. Life keeps moving. But hidden beneath this routine is a financial mistake so common that nearly 90% of middle-class people make it without realizing it. And the worst part? This mistake doesn't hurt immediately. It works silently, month after month, year after year, slowly stealing opportunities, freedom, and wealth from your future. Imagine waking up 10 years from now and realizing that despite working hard for an entire decade, your financial situation hasn't changed much. You earned more money. You got raises. Maybe you even switched jobs for higher pay. Yet somehow, the feeling remains the same. The pressure is still there. The stress is still there. The fear of unexpected expenses is still there. You look back and wonder where all the money went. That question alone keeps millions of people awake at night. The mistake isn't laziness. It isn't lack of intelligence. It isn't because you're bad with money. In fact, most people making this mistake are responsible, hardworking, and disciplined. That's what makes it so dangerous. It hides behind habits that appear normal. Society encourages it. Friends normalize it. Advertisements celebrate it. Banks profit from it. And because everyone around you is doing the same thing, it never feels like a mistake. The mistake is simple. Increasing your lifestyle every time your income increases. At first, it sounds harmless. You work hard. You earn a raise. Naturally, you want to enjoy the benefits. Maybe you upgrade your car. Maybe you move into a larger house. Maybe you start eating out more often. Maybe you subscribe to more services. Maybe you buy better clothes, newer gadgets, or take more expensive vacations. None of these decisions seem dangerous individually. But together, they create a trap that keeps people financially stuck for decades. Think about it. When you got your first major raise, did your savings increase dramatically? Or did your expenses quietly rise to match your new income? Most people never notice it happening. One extra expense here. One upgrade there. One monthly payment added. Before long, the raise disappears. The extra money that once felt exciting becomes part of your new normal. This is how financial stagnation begins. Not through one catastrophic decision. Not through a single mistake. Through hundreds of small choices that feel reasonable in the moment. The problem is that every new expense creates a permanent obligation. And obligations have a way of multiplying. Suddenly, your higher income doesn't create freedom. It creates dependence. Now you need that bigger paycheck just to maintain your lifestyle. You can't easily step away from a stressful job. You can't comfortably handle emergencies. You can't take risks that might improve your future. The income that should have empowered you ends up controlling you. Here's where the real danger appears. Most middle-class households focus almost entirely on increasing income, while paying very little attention to increasing wealth. These are not the same thing. Income is what you earn. Wealth is what you keep. And if you're not careful, you can spend an entire lifetime increasing the first while neglecting the second. A person earning six figures can still live paycheck to paycheck. Meanwhile, someone earning less may quietly build financial security because they understand a principle that most people ignore. Wealth grows in the gap between what you earn and what you spend. The larger the gap becomes, the more opportunities begin to appear. Investments grow. Savings accumulate. Stress decreases. Choices expand. But when lifestyle inflation consumes every raise, the gap remains small. And so does your financial progress. Before we continue, take a moment and be honest with yourself. Have you ever received a raise and immediately found a new way to spend the extra money? If so, you're not alone. In fact, that's exactly why this conversation matters. If this message is already making you think differently about your finances, take a second to like this video. It helps more people discover information that could genuinely change their financial future. And while you're here, comment below. I've done this before. If you've ever increased your spending after getting a raise. Your comment may help someone else realize they're not alone. Also, subscribe to the channel because we're constantly sharing practical financial lessons designed specifically for people who want more control, more freedom, and more security. Now let's go deeper. The real reason this mistake is so destructive has nothing to do with spending itself. The problem is opportunity cost. Every dollar spent today loses the chance to work for you tomorrow. Most people see only the purchase. They never see the future value they gave up. Imagine investing just a portion of every raise you receive. Not all of it. Just part of it. Over years, those contributions begin to compound. The growth starts slowly, almost invisibly. Then something remarkable happens. The money begins generating money. The snowball starts rolling. Unfortunately, most people never experience this because they spend the seed instead of planting it. Financial freedom isn't usually destroyed by luxury yachts or private jets. It's destroyed by ordinary expenses repeated consistently over long periods of time. Small monthly upgrades. Small convenience purchases. Small recurring subscriptions. Individually insignificant. Collectively enormous. That's why so many people feel trapped despite earning more than ever before. The system rewards consumption. Every advertisement tells you that happiness is one purchase away. Every commercial suggests you deserve another upgrade. Every social media feed presents lifestyles that seem normal, but are often financed by debt and financial stress. The result is a constant pressure to spend, to keep up, to fit in, to appear successful. And in chasing that image, many people sacrifice actual financial security. Consider the emotional cost. The anxiety before checking your bank account. The stress when an unexpected bill arrives. The frustration of realizing that despite years of hard work, you're still worried about money. These feelings aren't caused by a lack of income alone. Often, they're caused by a lack of margin. Margin is breathing room. Margin is the difference between surviving and thriving. Margin is what allows you to sleep peacefully at night. And margin disappears when every dollar has already been assigned to a lifestyle that keeps expanding. The people who build lasting wealth understand something that sounds almost boring. They don't immediately upgrade their lives every time they earn more. Instead, they delay gratification. They allow their income to grow faster than their spending. This approach may not look exciting on social media. It won't generate envy from strangers. But over time, it creates something far more valuable. Options. Options to retire earlier. Options to change careers. Options to help family members. Options to weather economic uncertainty. Options to live life on your terms instead of someone else's. The irony is that many middle-class families are much closer to financial security than they realize. They don't necessarily need a massive raise. They don't necessarily need a second job. Often, they simply need to stop allowing every increase in income to trigger an increase in spending. Imagine receiving your next raise and deciding that half of it never enters your lifestyle. Instead, it goes directly toward your future. At first, nothing dramatic changes. But months later, your savings begin growing. Years later, your investments begin compounding. Eventually, the results become impossible to ignore. That's the path most people never take. Not because it's impossible. Because it feels less rewarding in the short term. Human beings naturally seek immediate gratification. Unfortunately, financial success often requires the opposite. And this is where urgency becomes important. Every year spent making this mistake is a year that cannot be recovered. Every raise completely consumed by lifestyle inflation represents lost future growth, lost opportunities, lost flexibility. Time is the most valuable asset in personal finance. Once it's gone, no amount of money can buy it back. So ask yourself a simple question. If your income increased tomorrow, what would happen? Would your future benefit? Or would your lifestyle benefit? The answer may reveal more about your financial trajectory than any budget, investment account, or salary figure ever could. The good news is that awareness changes everything. The moment you recognize the trap, you gain the power to avoid it. You stop operating on autopilot. You begin making intentional decisions. You start building a future instead of merely funding the present. And that's exactly why this conversation matters. Because financial success is rarely about one giant breakthrough. More often, it's about avoiding one common mistake that almost everyone else continues making. If you made it this far, that tells me something important. It tells me you're serious about improving your financial future. You're willing to question habits that most people never examine. You're willing to think differently. So here's my challenge to you. The next time your income increases, resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle immediately. Pause. Think. Decide how much of that increase will belong to your future self before your present self spends it. And if this message spoke to you today, subscribe to the channel right now. Join a community of people who want financial freedom, not just bigger paychecks. Also, leave a comment below and type, "I choose my future." Those 4 words are a commitment. A reminder that your long-term security matters more than short-term appearances. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. Every like helps spread these financial lessons to more people who may desperately need them. And finally, don't stop here. The next video on your screen will show you another hidden financial habit that keeps middle-class families from building real wealth. Click it now, and I'll see you there.